Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. So, what is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button and subscribed to Pi News World. And also, click like, comment, and share. Come in the comments and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh, wow, Pioneer, did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency because of PiNetwork? As of today, you are a millionaire. Your time is money. PiNetwork versus Bitcoin, the speed race that could reshape the crypto world. In the world of cryptocurrency, transaction speed is a crucial factor that determines the efficiency and scalability of a blockchain network. PiNetwork has emerged as an innovative platform capable of not only competing with but surpassing Bitcoin in transaction speed, offering users a faster and more efficient experience. Comparing transaction speed PiNetwork versus Bitcoin. Currently, PiNetwork takes approximately 5 seconds to process each block, whereas Bitcoin requires around 10 minutes for a single block transaction. This means that based on block time alone, PiNetwork is approximately 120 times faster than Bitcoin. Such a stark difference highlights the efficiency of PiNetwork's blockchain architecture in handling transactions quickly and securely. Enhancing transaction capacity with open network. As PiNetwork advances towards its open mainnet, the number of transactions per block is expected to increase significantly. In previous tests, the network successfully processed up to 1,000 transactions per block, achieving a capacity of 200 transactions per second. In contrast, Bitcoin can only handle around 7 transactions per second, demonstrating a clear advantage in scalability for PiNetwork. Many pioneers who have transferred Pi coins to exchange platforms have been astonished by the rapid speed of their transactions. This impressive performance reinforces confidence in PiNetwork's potential as a transformative digital payment system. Why is PiNetwork so fast? Several key factors contribute to PiNetwork's remarkable transaction speed. Stellar Consensus Protocol, or SCP for short. Unlike Bitcoin, which relies on the energy-intensive proof-of-work mechanism, PiNetwork utilizes the Stellar Consensus Protocol. This system is more efficient, eliminating the need for resource-heavy mining processes and allowing transactions to be validated almost instantly. A modernized infrastructure. PiNetwork is built using the latest blockchain technology, employing a lightweight and responsive system designed for rapid transaction processing with minimal latency. Optimized scalability. With a current transaction capacity of 200 transactions per second and the potential for further optimization, PiNetwork has demonstrated its ability to handle high transaction volumes without experiencing network congestion, a problem that has frequently plagued Bitcoin. The broader implications of PiNetwork's speed. Well, the exceptional transaction speed of PiNetwork opens up vast opportunities for global digital payments. Its advantages position it as a prime candidate for various real-world applications, including cross-border payment systems that are fast and cost-effective, e-commerce and digital businesses requiring instant transactions, decentralized finance or DeFi, ecosystems offering efficient and accessible financial solutions. Conclusion. PiNetwork is pioneering a new era in blockchain speed. With a transaction speed 120 times faster than Bitcoin, PiNetwork is proving itself to be much more than just another cryptocurrency project. As adoption continues to grow, network capacity expands, and preparations for open mainnet progress, PiNetwork is well on its way to becoming a major force in blockchain technology and digital finance. Pioneers around the world are increasingly convinced that PiNetwork is poised to revolutionize digital payments. With high efficiency, low fees, and near-instant transactions, PiNetwork is set to reshape the landscape of the cryptocurrency industry and lead us into a new era of digital economy.